Hello, hello, readers. I've just finished another book. This is Visit Mima. The name of the book is When Hope Blossoms by Vogel Sawyer. It's large print. Published in 2012. I really enjoyed it. I love the way that Kim describes the children and builds their characters. It's really lighthearted and serious at the same time, especially about the closet clean out. I thought that was a hoot. But the kids were just adorable, very animated and clever. Anyway, the book says it's a large print edition. When Hope Blossoms by Vogel Sawyer. Amy Knackstedt hopes a new start in Weaverly, Kansas will help heal the pain of losing her husband and provide a better future for her 3 children. But her new neighbor, Kim Roper, is not pleased to have an Old Order Mennonite family living next to his apple orchard. Tim left the Mennonite faith many years ago and doesn't want any reminders of his former life. Yet, when circumstances throw Amy and Tim together, they form a friendship that surprises them both. Will past hurts always be a barrier between them, or will this tentative relationship blossom into something more?